welcome back to my channel. My name is Sushmika and this is Cookwithsush. So सबके घर में अभी जल्दी ही गणपति जी आने वाले हैं, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आज कुछ स्पेशल बनाते हैं. So today we are going to make a dry fruit laddus जो फास्ट में यूज भी होते हैं और जो फास्ट बन भी जाते हैं. So for this recipe we are using two key ingredients. First is flaxseed and second is dates, which are full of healthy nutrients and fibers. So let's make laddus.
For this recipe, all we need is 1 cup of walnut, 4 tablespoons of pistachio, 4 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, 4 tablespoons of flaxseed, chopped almond 5 tablespoons, 2 cup dates, cup anjeer and half cup mixed raisins. Now let's put all ingredients in the mixer grinder. Now blend it for 2 minutes. For binding, take 1 tablespoon of ghee. And your laddus are ready.
Hi guys, thank you for watching till the end. Hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. I make content around food, travel, self-portraits, so do follow me. Until my next video, stay home, stay safe. Namaste.